Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so I know y'all probably already got your email about this BoxyCharm 2.0. So for those of you that don't know about it, well, here I am. Here's the video, y'all. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video was the BoxyCharm possible spoiler. The first comment, congratulations, Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes says body charm. Now I don't know if she meant to say that or not. She probably did. She kind of funny. Is hit or miss anymore. I'm so happy you give us spoilers. Well, Bright Eyes, thank you so much. I really love doing spoilers for y'all. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now guys, if y'all want to get a shout out, you gotta leave a comment on this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I've picked from that video. Alright guys, so I don't know a whole lot about this BoxyCharm 2.0, but I'm going to show you a couple of clips about it. Now, as far as I know, it's going to be $35, and then you're going to get extra stuff like customization. They're going to send something where you could better match your shades for foundations, concealers, stuff like that. You'll get the BoxyCharm pop-up and add-on features while supplies last. You'll get a choice of 1 item, and this is also free shipping, and it's also going to be shipped separately. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the first clip. This one is of Joe announcing it. And then the next clip that you're going to see is on the BoxyCharm channel.
Hi guys, so this is an exciting day here at BoxyCharm. We have sent an email to every member out there for our new, I would say, innovation in BoxyCharm and everything we're going to be doing. So stay tuned and go to our BoxyCharm Instagram page or Latinx, or go on our Facebook page. Check out our stories very soon. We're going to let you know when you'll be able to choose an item for October, and some more information about the premium box. But above all, I'm actually mostly excited about our ability to show you how we're going to choose foundations and concealer for you guys in the future boxes. So check out our Instagram page, BoxyCharm.
Hi Charmers, today we have a big announcement which was sent to all of you through your email, so swipe up now if you want.
So today we're going to be talking about BoxyCharm 2.0. 2.0. That's going to give you full-size beauty products, obviously. But now your customized beauty membership is more than just a box. It's a membership with benefits. So now your membership is going to include customization, add-ons, choice, and best of all, Boxy Pop-Up, which is we're going to be introducing complexion products. We will be sending you a complexion swatch pack in your Boxy, and along with those results, and based on your beauty quiz, you'll receive foundation or concealer products that better match your skin tone. Yep. So you'll also be able to do product reviews to further customize your Boxy and earn charm points for free beauty products. So now you Charmers will get to choose 1 product every month from your BoxyCharm box and your Boxy Premium box, which is super exciting. So now you Charmers will get to choose 1 product while supplies last and during the choice window. So you definitely don't want to miss that window when we announce it on stories and give you guys reminders. So for our BoxyLuxe members, you will get to choose 1 to 3 products in your BoxyLuxe box that month while supplies last. So the number of products available to choose from will vary every 3 months for our BoxyLuxe members. Add-ons will be products offered every month at member-exclusive prices for every BoxyCharm member. You get to choose as many products as you want from a wide variety of beauty and lifestyle products while supplies last during that add-on period. You'll also be able to enjoy free shipping. Yes, free shipping on all of these items, which would be sent to you separately from your monthly box. Yeah, this would take about 5 to 10 business days after your add-on tracking email has been received. So stay. Boxy Pop-Up will actually occur once every quarter. So Boxy Pop-Up is a really cool way for Charmers to get lifestyle products, beauty products, hair products for up to 80% off.
So guys, comment below and tell me what you think. Are you interested in this BoxyCharm 2.0 or what? And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations. Faith, no, Faith, don't you come after me if I mispronounce this. Gilfian, I think. I probably said it wrong. I know I said it wrong. Anyways, Faith says, yay, first, I just love your channel so much. Thank you, Miss Mandy, for what you do. Have a blessed day. Faith, same to you, honey. I really love doing these spoilers. I swear I do. And there was one comment, which was Bright Eyes, you just seen in the first of this video. She slipped right in before you. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, if you want a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this video. And make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube is taking away my comments, my likes, everything. They're just trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. So if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then I need you to rate the video for me, but you only got one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button. The thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see the last spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it, y'all. If they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.